need to go.
Okay. All right, Frank. Yes, sir.
There's a 4-bedroom, right?
Yeah.
4-bedroom, right?
Uh-huh.
Make sure it's 4-bedroom, right?
Right. Garage.
I was like, I haven't been in the house since I left in the key. Yeah, apparently they pulled that piece down from the phone. And I'm like, you don't have to do anything.
Two toilets in here. One bedroom. Two. Four bedrooms.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Is there?
Usually that gate's a pain in the butt to open.
Is it?
I hate.
Oh man, I barely pushed it and it opened up.
They probably opened them. Oh, a tree fell. Awesome.
Oh, that one right there?
Yeah.
Probably from this little storm that we just recently
Probably.
had.
More than likely. Yeah, and you see the soffit I was telling you.
Oh yeah.
They decided not to replace, and I'm like, Dad, that's part of your roof, man. Like, that's supposed to be included in your roof.
Yeah, unfortunately, if you don't tell them exactly what you need, they're gonna give you the bare minimum every time.
And that's insane, ain't it?
And this right here is what, storage?
Yeah, it's a shed.
Got you. No, you good.